Collectively as a defense, we got a gang tackle and all 11 people to the ball.
Is he probably one of the toughest backs in the league to bring down?
I mean, look, I think last week DeMarco, I think he was pretty tough back to bring down. Marshawn's gonna be a challenge for us, but as long as we got 11 guys running to the ball as usual and gang tackling, it should be a big deal.
I guess the good thing about it is, you know which way he's going at all times. He's not one of these elusive guys trying to make you miss. He's coming right at. He's taking one step and go. He's coming right at you.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Like I said, he's always pumping his feet. He's not gonna try to make you miss, and just gang tackling, like I said.
But do you ever get fired up or amped up to face a certain kind of guy?
Yeah. I mean, you get the same thing. I'm the same person every day. You know, I'm gonna get too excited. You know, what you see is what you're gonna get from me every day.
Right. But he runs angry, people say. He runs with a chip on his shoulder, and you guys always pride yourself on playing with a chip on your shoulder, the underappreciated crew. So it almost seems like, I don't know if that just gets you extra fired up to go get a guy who you know is coming at you with that same type of chip.
Well, I mean, like I said, man, what you see on tape is what you're going to get from us. And that's physical. Everybody flying to the football.
Does anything change in your preparation and practice for tackling a guy that's so hard to tackle? Like, you guys do anything different this week leading up? Or is it...
No, we won't do anything different. We do the same stuff that we do. Nothing's going to change. So we'll just continue what we do. What we do is we can practice and get ready for Sunday.
Can you talk about the frustration that a Russell Wilson presents in terms of his elusiveness, and when you think you got him, all of a sudden he escapes and buys more time?
Well, that goes back to everybody hustling. And as, we know he's going to run around, and as a group, pass rushing, stay in our lane, and keep him in the pocket and just tackle him.
Is he the best read option quarterback out there? Because this dude, he picks up chunks of real estate. It seems like every other play, he's getting 15, 16 yards, 10 yards on his read option. Is he the most effective QB running that right now?
Well, it goes back to all of us being disciplined. And this is disciplined defense and playing what's the coach's call. So it'll go back to everybody being disciplined and take care of their job and just not trying to be Superman.
This game is huge for not just the matchup itself, but for playoff positioning, because you lose to them, and then you lose a tiebreaker to them down the road as well. So this is huge in terms of playoff positioning.
Well, like I said, we want to start today. We want to win today. Today is Tuesday. We'll get through tomorrow. We practice tomorrow. Then, I think we'll worry about Sunday when it gets here.